हाय, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ, बहुत अच्छी हूँ. सो टुडे आई वेंट फॉर दिस nice course. I'm getting into pranic healing, and today was a course on soul, connecting with your higher consciousness, and nothing that I did not know yet, because I have been studying on this for 5 years. I meditate a lot, so a lot of download comes. I feel very connected with my higher soul. But I'll tell you, I still feel very rejuvenated, and that's why I chose this topic today. I want to talk more about living a dharmic life, following your purpose, knowing your purpose, and why some people face difficulty understanding what my purpose is. Okay, so okay. So yeah, just to give a background, I am a chartered accountant, and I spent around 15 years of my life, 12 to 15 years of my life studying, practicing, working. सब किया मैंने, and then finally last year January 2023 I got into coaching, and I feel that I have found my purpose. And I know I have found my purpose, and this is my purpose. This is what I was born for. This is how my soul has come on this planet. So I feel really, really happy, fulfilled, living this life, serving other people. But the challenges don't stop. They don't. So ऐसा नहीं है कि पर्पस मिल गया तो अभी challenges बंद हो जाएंगे, नहीं, वो नहीं होता है. But yeah, I do feel more connected. I do feel more fulfilled. So I want to talk today about living a dharmic life. Okay. So what is a dharmic life? A dharmic life is where you are not operating from a place of your body, of your mind. Basically, you're not associating more with your thoughts and with your emotions. Rather, you are rising above them. Okay. Basic idea of what is a dharmic life. Okay. Now, till the time you are living a life for someone else, okay, for example, you are having a career so that you can prove something to your parents that I am worthy of your love. You can prove something to your wife that I am a good husband, or you can prove something to your children that, oh hello, I feed you, I am a good husband. So that is called a karmic life, where you are repaying your karmic debts. But when you move on to a level of a dharmic life, you start to earn money. वो तो होता ही है यार. Money is just an energy. By default you start to attract a lot of it. Of course थोड़ा काम करना पड़ता है खुद पे, but different people have different levels of money energy, so वो हो जाता है, ठीक है. But in your dharmic life, you are going to live a life which is more aligned with your purpose, so that you come home as a very happy man or a woman. So whatever examples I gave applies to a woman as well. Okay. So yeah, you come home as a happy man, a happy woman, and you are a fulfilled person, so to say. And that's why what you give out is a lot of love, a lot of joy, and fulfillment and satisfaction to others. Now you are not expecting a lot in return, because you are fulfilled on your own, so you don't expect others to fill in your cup. Make sense? Now what happens is that all of us are born on this planet, and through the wheel of amnesia we forget why we are here. Okay. But our soul knows. It is inscribed in our soul that why we are on this planet. Okay. Now what happens is, because we forget कि ये था, we go on a journey of attracting the kind of people that are going to push us to get onto our purpose. Okay. They are going to push us towards our purpose. But since we don't understand why things are happening the way they are happening, if someone is being rude to us, if someone's being bad to us, some of us don't have our parents, some of us have parents but they're not very cooperative or supportive. Okay, all of this is happening, or in-laws for that matter. Okay, in-laws, if you don't have supportive in-laws, supportive husband, wife, all of this is happening is because it's a part of the process to get you ready. Okay. Now you have two options. Either you can go through and suffer through these circumstances, or realize that this is only my journey, and these are my guiding angels, disguised angels, who are helping me go towards my journey. So what you do is, you take a deep breath, you take a step back, okay? जब तक वो सर्कल में रहते हो, यू आर रिएक्टिव, ओके? यू आर ऑलवेज क्वेश्चनिंग, वाई मी, वाई इज दिस हैपनिंग विथ मी, मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा है इसका? लॉजिकली आपने कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा, बट अगर वो आपका काम खराब नहीं करेंगे, अगर वो आपको ट्रिगर उंगली नहीं करेंगे, तो आप हिलोगे नहीं ना अपनी जगह से. सी, इफ योर पर्पज इज to become more wealthy in this life, okay, but you are very complacent, so unless and until people taunt you कि तू कुछ करता नहीं है या करती नहीं है, you will not move from your place. So they are your disguised angels who are trying to push you. Now it's not their fault, you have chosen them, you have come here. Now what happens is, in this journey there are layers which gets created. There are layers over you, over your soul, which gets created, okay? So what happens is, then you have to awaken yourself and go on a journey, on a spiritual journey, which will involve fulfilling yourself. So सिर्फ spiritual नहीं होता है. All of us have these 4-5 dimensions. One is our health. We have to, the physical body, we have to take care of that physical body. So health, wealth creation, all of us should focus on money energy is very important, okay? Not because of the worldly pleasures and everything, but you can do a lot more good if you have a lot more money. Basic. Now relationships, that's also one of the aspect, and spiritual world, your spiritual growth, that is also very important, okay? तो अगर हम लोग ह्यूमंस, तो ये आपके डिफरेंट लाइफ पर्सपेक्टिव्स हो गए, बट अगर हम लोग ह्यूमन एंगल से देखें तो वी आर 4 डायमेंशनल क्रिएचर्स: मेंटल, इमोशनल, फिजिकल एंड स्पिरिचुअल. द स्पिरिट, द आत्मा inside us, okay? That's a spiritual aspect. So we have to progress in all of these 4 dimensions to fulfill the earlier career, relationship, wealth, health and spirituality, personal growth. ये सबको फुलफिल करने के लिए वी हैव टू ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन दिस 4 डायमेंशनल एस्पेक्ट. सो वी नॉट हैव टू ओनली बी इंटेलिजेंट, सिर्फ लॉजिकली स्मार्ट होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. वी ऑल्सो हैव टू बी इमोशनली स्मार्ट, राइट? तो IQ, EQ तो हम सब समझते हैं, राइट? कि IQ और EQ दोनों होना चाहिए एक बंदे में. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द अदर पार्ट? फिजिकली तो यू हैव टू बी फिट. सो दीज 3 एस्पेक्ट्स मोस्ट ऑफ अस अंडरस्टैंड. The problem happens when we don't take any spiritual guidance, any spiritual path, okay? Spirituality and religion are 2 different things. Religion is man-made, spiritual is the ultimate truth, okay? So what happens is, when you are developing all of these 4 dimensions of yourself simultaneously, kaise? Reading, okay? Reading, learning, taking courses, having a guru, a mentor. So all of these things will bind you. How? Mental, okay? What will happen then? Emotional level. Emotional level क्या होता है? Taking control of your life and your emotions, okay? What happens is, when most of us are feeling sad, feeling guilty, feeling shameful, feeling envy or comparison, etc. So what is happening is, we are thinking कि ये सब अपने आप हो रहा है. जो हो रहा है, मतलब उसका अलग साइंस है, मैं कभी और समझाऊंगी. जो हो रहा है, ठीक है, अभी जो भी हो रहा है, वी फील कि हमारे पास उसका कंट्रोल ही नहीं है, हमारे पास तो कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है, अभी ये फील करना ही है. दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. बड़ा सा चौकड़ी मारो उस पर, वो गलत है, ओके? इमोशंस जो है ना, वो आपके हैं, आपको उसका कंट्रोल लेना है. आपको किसको? द सोल इन यू takes control of your emotions. You can take control of your emotion. You have the choice to think good thoughts, feel good emotions, and you have the choice to feel bad emotions, feel pity on yourself, feel that victim. आप वो भी चूज़ कर सकते हो, आप ये भी चूज़ कर सकते हो. So the choice is yours, is what I'm trying to imply here. Okay, don't think that you don't have a choice and you have to feel because something bad has happened in your life, तो अभी तो मुझे ऐसा ही फील होना चाहिए because it's a common narrative. No, that's not important, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so feelings you can control, and when you start to control that feelings, what happens is you develop emotionally, okay? Physically खुद की हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना, क्या खाते हो, क्या पीते हो, कब सोते हो, कब उठते हो, कितने घंटे सोते हो, एंड एक्सरसाइज कितनी करते हो. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कम्स इन टू योर फिजिकल हेल्थ. ओके, इनफ अवेयरनेस है, आप समझते हो. Now spiritual health. Okay, how do you know spiritual health? When you have enough trust in the process rather than trying to control everything in your life. When you have enough trust in the process, जो हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. When you have enough faith in the universe, in your guiding angels or in the God. Okay, okay, my God is with me and whatever he guides me, I'll do. You build a connection with your God, that happens your spiritual connection, and that is how you grow spiritual. So how to know if you are acing in all of these 4 areas of your life? One is when you are very knowledgeable, mentally growing. Second, taking control of your emotions, emotionally growing. Third, taking control of your health, physically growing. And fourth, building faith and trust in the process, in the universe, in your God, is spiritually growing. Done. Now what happens is when you grow in these 4 dimensions, अपने आप आपका पर्पस खुल के आ जाएगा. वाई? बिकॉज वेन यू ग्रो इन दीज 4 डायमेंशंस यू विल बिल्ड योर सेल्फ एस्टीम वेरी हाई. बनते जाएगा. कैसे? सेल्फ लव के थ्रू. यू विल लव योर सेल्फ इनफ, okay, to know that you don't need anyone else's validation. When you stop seeking that validation from someone else, you start to build courage, right? Because now you know that the courage and confidence to be myself, to carry who I am, okay, not what others are expecting from me, not who others, my parents, my society, my friends want me to be. nahi, who I am, I'll show up as that person. ओके, सो वो जब फीलिंग आने लगता है ना तो आपका करेज बिल्ड होने लगता है. अब जब ये करेज बिल्ड हो गया ना तो फिर यू डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट वॉट एनी वन इज थिंकिंग ऑफ यू. यू डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट हाउ यू आर डिसअपॉइंटिंग एनी वन इन योर लाइफ, बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली यू आर नॉट. Okay, you are not disappointing anyone by living your life. You just feel you are, because that's the amount of guilt you are carrying within you. Okay, so जब आप ये 4 डायमेंशन में ग्रो करोगे, आप ये गिल्ट, शेम, ये सब आप छोड़ते जाओगे नीचे, बिकॉज दीज आर ऑल लोअर लेवल फीलिंग्स. व्हेन यू लीव ऑल ऑफ दिस बिहाइंड, योर पर्पस ओपन्स अप फॉर यू ऑन इट्स ओन. On its own, because your soul आप लिखवा के लाए हो. The things you follow your joy. The things that give you joy are the things that give you purpose. किसी को डांस पसंद है, and these are sorry these are a lot of creative pursuits. Someone likes painting, someone likes dance, someone likes music, someone likes singing, someone like me. You know what? I never imagined that I could teach. दूर दूर तक नहीं था यार. मैं लेक्चर में बैठती भी नहीं थी, बिकॉज आई यूज टू फील सो बोर्ड एंड आई कुड नेवर इमेजिन दैट आई विल बी अ टीचर. बट आई एम राइट नाउ. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यार? मैं कोच वोच क्या पढ़ाई तो रही हूँ किसी को, राइट? आई एम टीचिंग यू राइट नाउ समथिंग दैट आई नो. सो आई एम अ टीचर राइट नाउ. दिस इज अ स्किल लेवल विच आई एम डेवलपिंग, राइट? सो आई डिड नॉट हैव इंटरेस्ट इन टीचिंग, राइट? My purpose was I had interest in understanding human behavior, in understanding why we function the way we function. So अभी वो सीख लिया. तो सिर्फ सीखना तो पर्पस नहीं होता, अब तो सिखाना भी है ना, क्योंकि अभी इतना घड़ा भर लिया, और सिखाऊंगी तो और सीखूंगी, राइट? सो लर्निंग में इंटरेस्ट था मुझे, एंड लर्निंग व्हाट? पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट एंड ह्यूमन नेचर. सो what happens is that all of us have some interests which we suppress and feel कि ये हम full time pursue नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि इसमें पैसा नहीं मिलेगा तो हमारा घर नहीं चलेगा, etc etc blah blah blah. But in this world that we are living right now, which is so technology driven, I don't think that there is any profession which cannot be monetized, right? Every profession can be monetized and everyone has different needs of monetization. Okay, but you're fully capable of becoming very very rich doing whatever you want. Okay, and you can always add up to things. These are all skills. You can learn your skills. You have to just identify what gives you joy. Someone likes makeup, someone likes designing, someone likes mehndi. It could be so, and accounting and all, finance and all are also pursuits which people love, and that's service, right? You are serving. By being a CA, I was serving a business. Do better financially. Wasn't that a service? It is. हम क्यों बोर हो जाते हैं कभी कभी? इज बिकॉज वी डोंट फील अलाइंड विद इट. नथिंग बैड विद अ प्रोफेशन. सी, इमेजिन करो आप कि आपको जो पसंद है आप वो कर रहे हो, ओके, एंड यू आर एक्सेलिंग एट इट, तो आपको वो भीड़ भाड़ नहीं दिखेगी, क्योंकि जो बाकी के लोग, अगर हम सब वो करें जो हमको पसंद है, तो विल वी नॉट फिट इन लाइक अ जिक्सॉ, राइट? अभी सब pieces of the puzzles are moving elsewhere. When everyone starts to realize their own purpose and they start coming together in their own places, will we not complete the jigsaw puzzle rightly? है ना? समझ आ रहा है? नहीं तो मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट में बताओ, ओके? मैं अभी इस वीडियो को इधर ही ख़त्म करती हूँ, बहुत लंबा हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मैं कल कवर करती हूँ. But if there is any topic which you would love for me to cover, or anything, any modification in the way I explain, etc., you can let me know in the comment. Modification in the teaching तो मैं देख लेती हूँ कैसे कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन for sure I want inputs on the topics which I can help you understand better. I would love to do that, and yeah, I enjoyed teaching you today about living a dharmic life, following your passion, following your purpose, and how to discover it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.